Nikki Eisenhower, and this is my newsletter, and I'm glad that you're here. I have another monthly mantra for you for November. This month's monthly mantra is, I meet hatred and fear with strong light and love. I meet hatred and fear with strong light and love. Now, why is that important? So many reasons. I've had Victor Frankel's book, Man's Search for Meaning, on my mind. It's one of my favorite books. It's the most spectacular tiny read you could ever take on. And it's the story of a psychiatrist, an optimist, who during World War II was in a concentration camp. And it's the story of how he saw positivity. He saw moments of care. He saw moments of spirituality. He saw connected moments, loving moments, moments of beauty. And he saw that while he was surrounded with the worst of our humanity. There's such a big lesson in Victor Frankel's story for all of us. It's a decision that I make for myself each day to meet hatred and fear in light and love. Now, that's not just for meeting that outwardly in the world. It's for meeting it within myself too. We're human beings. We have dark sides and we have light sides. Our dark sides can be very low vibe, can be negative, can be hurtful, can be shaming of ourselves and of others. I meet hatred and fear with strong light and love. What happens in our lives and in our own bodies when we practice meeting hate and fear with light and love? We soften, we connect with our empathy, we get more compassionate, we get more understanding of our own human condition and our flaws and our faults, and the human condition of others and their flaws and their faults. It's not just a mantra, it's a way of being. And I invite you to share it with me if it resonates with you. It's changed how I live my life. It's changed as an empath, this dynamic of I don't have to soak up hatred and fear. I don't have to convince people not to be in hatred and fear. I just have to meet those energetic forces with my own light and love. And as corny as it can sound, that's really how I transform the energy of that moment. Whatever life is throwing at me or bringing at me, internally or externally, it's how I own it. And it's really how I use my stubbornness. I'm stubbornly meeting fear and hatred with light and love. I refuse to do it differently. I meet hatred and fear with strong light and love. I meet hatred and fear with strong light and love. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'll see you next month, for another monthly mantra. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time right here. Bye-bye.